I'm going to show you guys how to upload videos to YouTube. So let's go. Go to YouTube Studio and click the create button in the top right hand corner. Click upload video. Now here's where you could drag and drop your files. Or if you're on a phone, you could select photo library. It really doesn't matter. People say,
oh, well, it helps with
SEO. That's outdated. We'll start uploading. The first step to uploading is typing in your title. So let's get a title ready. Ideally, you should have your title done before you even start uploading. Description, select your playlist. I would recommend selecting no, it's not made for kids unless you're uploading content that is specifically targeted towards children. If you have a paid promotion, answer this. Altered content, answer this. Automatic chapters, I would recommend turning that off. Same with featured places. And this experimental thing, it's the automatic concepts one, so I want the information to be accurate. For caption certification, just put that at none. Video language, English. Standard YouTube license. Allow embedding and publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Basically, these you always want to have it like this. And then you could choose to allow comments, pick your category, choose the strictness of the comments, and here I would recommend uploading your own subtitles file, okay? I would recommend creating a file for subtitles and basically uploading that into here. Checks, so YouTube usually does this quick. Basically, you want to aim for no issues found. I would recommend selecting this to unlisted. I wouldn't set it to public yet.